Carpenters build without a flaw, with wood and tools and hands so bright. They build all day from morning to night. Mr. Carpenter works with wood, building things so strong and good. He cuts and shapes just like he should, making magic out of wood. He picks up his shiny saw, slicing gently, no need to draw. Back and forth, a zigzag line. The shape is ready, no need to draw. Back and forth, a zigzag line. The shape is ready, looking fine. Now he grabs his hammer tight, hitting nails just right, not slight. Bang, 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 the wood holds still. He builds a chair with awesome skill. Each nail goes in with a happy plink.